There are a few quick checks you'll want to run in your Canvas course to make sure students can fully access your materials. These checks might save you from hearing complaints from your students like, I can't find it, or I don't see the assignment. In this Canvas in 5, we'll walk through 3 quick checks to help you avoid those issues, including running the Link Validator, confirming your course is published correctly, and using Student View to see exactly what your students will see. Welcome to Canvas in 5. I'm Emily from the TLC, and let's get started with the first check. The first check we'll do is run the Link Validator. It searches through course content and identifies any invalid or broken or unresponsive course content links in both published and unpublished content. To run the Link Validator, click on Settings in your course navigation menu, then click Validate Links in Content. Then click Start or Restart if you've run it before, and let it run. It may take a few minutes. It's looking for broken links to Canvas pages, files, assignments, and external websites. So if you've ever had a student in your course say, this link isn't working, this tool will help you to avoid that problem. Once it's finished checking, it tells you how many broken links you have. It displays the name of the page and the link in the page that's broken. So I can click on the page, find the broken link, get identified, and edit it. And this is especially important if you have updated materials or copied content from another course. Just make sure links don't point back to last term's course. And also know that this tool won't check links behind logins like library databases. Now we'll go back to our course settings for our next check. Once your links are working and we've finished that cleanup, we want to make sure everything is available and visible to students. And for this, we must confirm the course and all items in it are published, since students can only access content that's published in a published course. So to confirm that your course is published, go to your settings in the course navigation menu. And as you can see here in my settings page, I have a green check mark that says course is published. If it's not published, you will see a drop-down menu, course status, and you can select publish or keep it unpublished for now. But remember, a published course can still contain unpublished items that students won't see. So I'm going to double check my modules page for any unpublished items. Modules is where students access most course content like pages, discussions, assignments. So this is an easy place for me to make sure all student-facing items are published. The green check mark indicates they are published. The circle with the slash through it means it's not. I can click to toggle that to publish, or I can select the publish icon for the whole module and select publish module and all items. So that's a quick way to do that. And while you're here, if you copied this course from a previous term, you might take a quick scan through your due dates. Finally, we will use Student View as a way to check our course and see it the way that students will see it. So click View as Student at the top of the page, and this lets you quickly check that everything is visible to students and nothing is missing or inaccessible from the perspective of a student. So take a few minutes to click through your modules, assignments, or discussions. I will click into an assignment to make sure that instructions are clear, there's no unexpected restrictions or missing items. Also notice that when you are in Student View, you are acting as a test student. So you can submit quizzes, assignments, or discussions in Student View to verify that your assignments are configured properly. So I might test out the submission here in this assignment. But just remember that you will have to have the item published to see it in Student View. And then I will click Leave Student View to go back to my normal view. So even if you've taught this course before, Student View is helpful after making updates or copying content into a new course shell. Once you've run these 3 checks, Link Validator, Publishing Status, and Student View, you're ready to welcome students in. If you'd like a deeper walkthrough of course setup and troubleshooting, join this month's Tech Time on July 31st, 2026, where we'll go step by step through a more thorough course checklist.